that'll be fun. I should be doing that. Oh well.
Hey, trading markets, are you willing to recant on your statement? Are you and this other guy related? Trading markets, are you willing to be intellectually honest enough?
He's just ignored my comment so far
Zero
about
DT
VWAP,
options,
which is
do
a
indeed
shame.
have theta. Are you willing to say that when you said that a couple days ago, and you're like, zero DT options, they don't have theta? Are you willing to say you got that statement wrong? Because that is just so factually wrong. Are you willing to just admit you got something wrong? Can you at least be that intellectually honest?
Can you be intellectually honest? Buy the breakout. Just do it. Let's go long.
Okay, here we go. Man, sure you were. I'm sure you were.
Do
So
it?
are you going to acknowledge that or no?
Come on.
Watch out for the FVG play. I wipe myself with FVGs, okay?
Okay.
So you're going to hold steady there, trading markets? That zero DT options don't have theta? Is that where you're going to hold to, trading markets?
Should we? Yeah, we'll just ignore the fair value gap from here all the way to VWAP. 650 to 750 is a fair value gap.
Okay.
Really,
That's not what you said a
667.
couple days ago.
I don't think Skylar's taking any trades today. Nope.
How's it going? I don't know. It's going all right. David, stop. Stop, David. I gotta put David in timeout. I can only take so much. I'll put him on 24 hours timeout. You're real close to that yellow line. I think you mean orange.
Orange.
Do we want to go long at the yellow line? I don't know. I don't know. Do you? I don't know your strategy. So you will have to tell me what your strategy says. There's nothing to debate, trading markets. You said very clearly a couple days ago, there's no theta in zero DT options, which is why you're put
Still on this theta
That's just such a blatant lie. That's just not true. So there's nothing to debate. What is? Why do you like? I love to admit I'm wrong because if I'm wrong about something, I learned something. But goodness, some of you, it's just like, just bite the bullet. Yeah, I got that wrong. I misspoke.
Yeah, I want to hear you say that when this
Crazy.
partner goes to VWAP. Let's go.
Or, I don't know, because some people just, it's like trading, right? Think about it. What is one of the main reasons why trading is hard? Because people don't like to cut the loss. But what does cutting a loss actually represent? It represents you being wrong about
Being a
something.
giant
Nobody likes
pussy.
to admit that you're wrong. Nobody likes to admit that you're wrong. But think about it, in trading, you have to do two things. You have to admit that you're wrong, and your wrongness is producing a loss of money. That makes it harder to cut
Good
the loss.
God. Cut the
Like,
loss.
they don't like to admit they're wrong.
10
It's just a
minutes
basic-
later. Why did I cut the loss?
Can I
Oh.
copy trade on the evaluation test? Or just, yes, you can copy trade on the test too.
VWAP is 705. The target that we
Like,
had.
I take pride in all of you as members of the chat. Like, I don't appreciate when people show up and like treat us like we're idiots. and don't
I'll
know
be gone
some
for like a
basic
week,
things.
but
A week?
That's why I
Get
get
back.
fired up. About it. You must
Yeah.
think me and the
Damn,
chat here
that's a
like,
long time.
are stupid.
Sell some
All
covered
this
calls
stuff
so
is
that the stock market can go up.
Listen,
I need you to pull a real
look at you
Ben
as, like,
Chang
we're
here.
all a team. We're in this
Like
together.
sell like a
That's what I can do.
75 strike call on Hims for a
So
week
people
out.
show
That's what
up
I
and
can
it's
do.
just like treat us like we're total idiots.
Adios,
It's like,
man.
Okay, I'm not gonna let that slide.
Take it easy.
Oh. Well, we're gonna have to just wait this out. This is the pain. When I say you can go long,
Okay, trade
the target's
markets, one
VWAP
final time.
if you're
You
willing
said-
to go through the pain. This is the pain. The pain is just sideways until this thing wants to break. And at what point it will go to fucking VWAP. Where, you know what? I haven't chimed in here. Let's chime in this chat because I haven't been in here all day. What did I do? Did I just fuck this up? Oh no, he's way over here. Okay.
The equivalent of saying, yeah, water's not wet. That's what, for those of you that are not in options, for somebody to say that zero DT options have no theta, I understand it sounds like I'm speaking another language when I say that if you're not in the options. So the equivalent to that would be, assume the water's not frozen, the equivalent to that would be, what are you talking about? If I jump in that pool, water's not wet. That's what it's the equivalent of saying. Hey, Johnny T.
Bing bong.
Alright, we are at 21 EMA on the 5 minute. Here we go. So check out the 21 EMA. It's done a very good job of holding as support. Will it continue though? I don't know.
Oh man.
We'll see what happens. Hey, friendly reminder, if you're enjoying, hit that like button.
Hit that like button. Like it up.
Going for 250 likes today. So if you have not yet hit that like button, please consider doing so. Finally did break down on the 5 minute here. That 21 email.
Hasn't broke down shit on the 5 minute here. 5 minute is still very much in a range.
If you're gonna try to tell me that water's not wet, like that,
Where
the amount of
is,
gaslighting in that is just insane.
Is it under here? Yeah, it is under here. Okay. Just
But they're
switch over
gone.
to this real quick.
They must be brothers.
Because this right here is the 5 minute chart. Weeble,
How do we get two?
1 minute,
live stream?
5 minute.
That's what I'm saying. There's no theta. Zero
No
theta.
breakdown. Breakdown be below
What are the chances of that?
below 590 would be a pretty bad day
I tell you.
for the NASDAQ. So, not yet.
It's cray cray. Very long. There we go, little scoopy scoop. Scoop, 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 scoop. Hindsight will be my judge. That might have been a really stupid thing to do, but it is what it is, brother. I'm a little wary on the 5 minute. That's why I'm be extra aggressive because, oh boy, is this thing gonna get? Yeah, maybe not, maybe something, but like I said, hindsight would be my judge. I think that was a wrong move to make for the scale B scale. But I chose the scale B scale. Chances are slim to none that theta. Yeah. Again, for anybody here that all that sound like Chinese, what are you talking? What are they? Zero DT options, theta? What are they talking about? The claim that zero DT options don't have theta is the equivalent of claiming if you jump in that pool, you're not going to get wet because water's not wet. That's the equivalent there. All right, let's see what this wants to. I'm wondering, do we want to? Is it about to just drift back down and test the bottom part of the channel? This pivot point, which we 1, 2, 3, 4. So really, the play actually is, I would not call you crazy if you're thinking long, but a fake breakdown. So like a long, a little bit below here, because it has had 4 fake breakdowns now of that area. So I don't know, maybe I'll put something like that instead of thinking I want to get short down here. Maybe that's the ticket. Just look to play the fake breakdown. I mean, you give yourself a nice risk versus reward. Economics professor advised against futures, but even more against options. Well, I mean, I wouldn't say that to college professors. Anyway. Funny listening to it remind me of that someone that used to work for me that liked arguing the skies only blue because there deny that. Trump is speaking right now. I'll tell you what else is speaking my bladder. Holy smokes. I've been drinking that water, boys and girls.
We are just gonna wait it out.
Sweet NQ sellers. Stop NQ sell.
Okay, how do you make the position stand? Right here, boys. Just walk you through everything from start to finish. Alright, so basically nothing has happened. Trump is not speaking.
Stop NQ sell.
Alright, Momo, I'm not sure what you're watching, but maybe it's like a news clip that you thought was live. You're the quickest video. How long does it take? I don't know. I wasn't... Sorry, I don't have any baseline. I cannot say that I can compare. Like, excuse me, sir. Can I time you going pee so I can consider, so I can match it up with me? Excuse me, ma'am. Can I time you going pee? If so, that would be great. I don't know if you're on, Momo. I'm just saying there's conflicting information. Would this be a bearish pennant?
See what he says to that.
I mean, I can see how you kind of sort of call it that.
Kinda, sorta. The fuck are
15
you
minute though
talking
looks more
about?
so like a bull pennant, but in a very sketchy context.
Okay, okay, okay.
But you got to be careful because this is all happening in an overall down context. Doesn't mean that this will fail to the downside, but you know, bull pennants in downwards context not the most awe-inspiring thing. Falling wedge? I do not see a falling wedge. Not saying it's not there.
Let's just
I'm saying I'm not
bombard
sure if
him
you are.
with technical questions that he's going to get wrong. Let's do that. That'll be fun. Now he's drawing shit
We'll
on his
hear like
chart.
sauerkraut.
It's a good time.
Tonight we got some country
I gotta
pork
keep this
ribs. Country pork ribs.
Trying to break down, baby. Break it down, baby. Chase it.
Like right here. This is what we're having tonight. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Get in my belly.
All right, let's see if it traps him. Come on.
If you do not like sauerkraut,
Take the short.
you're making poor
Take
life
it.
decisions. That's all I'll say on that. Travis, Paul, minding my own business. Good, good, good.
Just
It's
do
pretty
it.
good. That's blasphemy.
I want to see it fake him out and then rip the view up. That's what we're looking for here.
Yeah. Is this a short?
Do it. Do it.
Hammer.
Do it.
It's got me a little squeamish on the 5 minute.
Do it. It's a
Got me
bearish
little
hammer.
squeamish.
Do it.
Just scalped that red candle. Good job. This is risky. So I'm just going with one trade. So I am kind of chasing here. Here we go.
Oh, he's in it. In the short. He's in the short at 20.
With brats and onions. Yeah, we do put,
275.
well, not brats. We do put onions in it though. There you go. Come on. Let's just do this instead.
15-minute,
Go
200
down and
EMA
stop,
right
and
here.
We'll see if this wants to plunge. Nope. Stop down. Okay.
Stopped out.
I have my sauerkraut.
Why even
bowl.
take the
That is
trade?
also good.
You know, fucking stop out right there. Why even
Well,
get
yeah,
in that
it's,
fucking
yeah.
trade?
These are the stats for traders lasting 1 year. If you're profitable, you're in. Interesting, Max. I grew up in northern Wisconsin. All Germans and Polacks, yes. I am German through and through. Guten Tag. Trump, yeah, yep. Trump is speaking at 4, so not anytime soon. All right, looking for a potential back test here to get short.
He wants to short it
Although
again,
maybe
Bubs.
yeah, probably stupid. Look at this. Chop, chop,
Probably
chop,
stupid.
Chop, chop, chop,
Definitely
chop, chop, chop.
stupid.
So if it does something like that, I will not be able to play the victim card. Like, where did that come from? It's like, no, you moron, it was staring you right in the face.
This video is going
Yes,
to take forever to
this
edit.
is- We're still in that range. I gotta be disciplined. Gotta be disciplined. All we have here is a history of chop, chop, chop. So to get short here on the back test, yeah. First time on your channel. Well, welcome, Johnny T. Are you primarily a scalper? Yeah. I don't know how you define scalper. One of those things where you could ask 10 traders what is a scalper, and you might get 10 different definitions. But yeah, if you want to call me a scalper, I'd call myself that. I wouldn't put up too much of a fuss. Again, depending on how you define scalper. What about you, Johnny? What kind of trader are you? True, I did it earlier this week. I think the 100-point scalp guy. Definitely not a scalp. I'm sure I'll expand. If you're sure it'll expand up, well, you better get long then. All in. If you're sure that it's going to go up, you better go all in long. And no need for a stop loss because, I mean, if you know it's going up, what do you need a stop loss for? I'm going to try to stop that red line here. Go ahead and get rid of that level. I primarily concentrate on swing trading. Oh, trying to learn some scalping techniques. Cool. Yeah, futures are a great thing to scalp. And when you do so, and I would say doing it within a prop firm makes it very, very wise because of the risk management component. It is choppy. Agreed, Paul. That's why I'm doing it with a whopping 1 MNQ. Because I agree this is a bit of a sketchy trade. But we'll see what happens. Come on. There we go. Well, why didn't I do like 30 of them? Doggone it. What an idiot. What an idiot. What is that from? What movie is that from? What an idiot. It's Will Ferrell. Is that Wedding Crashers? I can't remember now. Is it from Wedding Crashers? Clay, I'm getting sleepy. Sing for him. No, then I'll definitely put you to bed. Oh, is it?
Stop ESL.
Yeah. Had I had more I could still be in with one, but I mean, I only had one, so that's the downside.
Stop ESL.
No, I definitely was not thinking from Seinfeld. Mine was thinking from a real Will Ferrell quote. grilled brats with sauerkraut. Oh yeah, that's good too. My favorite of all will tell it. Gotcha. All right, so I'm not well versed in Napoleon Dynamite. Oh really? A lot of people are saying that. All right, do we get a bounce from here? Look at this. Look, we're on the 5 minute. Are you gonna play a fake breakdown long? Okay, it's through. Is it gonna do itself, or is this fine with the break? No, it's no
Stop
action
and
short
cue
right now.
cell.
That is a total chase. Man, why do you gotta break it like that? Waiting this whole time, and you break it like that. That's so discouraging.
Okay. Oh, that's a breakdown, baby.
Like,
There's
why
your
couldn't you come
support.
down a little bit more methodically and then broke? Hey, remember true story? There was some guy that got short like right here. Won. What an idiot. All right,
Yeah, that guy got stopped out because he's a pussy.
No, it is. All right, this is what I was thinking of right here.
All right,
Will
Bubs,
Ferrell.
you down to
And that is Wedding
590.
So that,
You
that
got the
okay,
bounce.
That's what I was thinking of. Unbelievable.
Harmonic
Might
is
try
long off
Back
of the
test here.
bullish reversal
Play
zone.
some momentum. I can build into it.
For
Like
the
I said, do I
bounce.
think this thing shoots all the way back up here? I guess maybe. If so, it'll be a losing trade, but I'm going to try to get involved there.
He is shorting it at 598. He is
Ideally,
short.
I can add some more.
You can add all the fuck you want, dude. They're not gonna make it a
but
good
one at least
trade.
gets me started.
Watch this shit.
Now,
Let's
if
see
this
if we get
V-shapes
stopped
on
out.
me,
Oh.
it will not be pleasant.
Oh, it will be fucking perfection for my
Got
video.
another one.
Yeah, add into a losing trade. That's an even better idea.
Got another one.
Oh, look at him go. He's scaling into this fucking ridiculous push.
All right.
I mean, no, granted, he's
World.
MNQs. Do it again. Sell another one. Average is 605.
Average.
He is just praying it lets him out at this point. Coming back to let him out. What's it going to do? Let him out. If he had an order there, let him out. 605. And face ripper.
Oh, crap. What am I, long? I did not mean to get long there.
Oh, wow. What did he do there? Well, now he's on the right side of this trade. Now he's long from 604.
All right.
And then he
let's
closed
let the clown
the
fiesta
long.
calm down for a second. Not exactly what I was expecting, but that is a situation where I'm glad I just started with one MNQ. Gave myself plenty of flexibility, and it still worked out. But okay.
Okay.
I might start the process over again. I mean, really, it's
Wow.
really a question of, do we
Look
really
at
think
it
this thing's
go.
going to V-shape all the way back up?
No,
The
we
odds
don't.
suggest
We
no,
think it's going to V-shape to
Which
the
is why I
fucking
don't mind
VWAP.
building some, but that's also, if the odds, or if the low odd thing does happen, that's where the painful trade comes into play.
So, he was short at the low, 23,598. Bought the bottom of the candle, almost the bottom of the candle. Averaged in all the way up. Went to close the trade. Somehow
Odds are that
reversed the
these
whole
shapes don't
trade.
happen.
Long
So that is
604.
the low likelihood thing to
Freaked
happen.
out. Closed the trade.
That's why when they do happen, it's like, okay, well, I was playing the odds, but the odds went against me, so that's where things can get a little bit more. Volume has pick up suddenly, and I would.
So,
I hate when I press
the
wrong
reason
button
why
and
that's
short. Yeah,
hilarious, because that giant wick below the body, bounce off of the bullish reversal zone
Now, this
to
was
the
another
point.
fake breakdown. but
Exactly.
This was a little bit more than these other ones. So again, same thing, fake breakdowns, but I could have seen people maybe getting long and then putting a stop and maybe getting stopped out right there because that did drop quite a bit of ways below it. That's what crushed me this AM, the V. I might try going long here so I can have a
Now
little
he's
bit
like, I
of
might
fun
try
stop.
going long here. Let's go! So I've watched him enter and exit 3 trades
All right,
so
I'm
far.
interested in the long. Kind of a very clean cut. And down here, if it breaks there, that'll wave the white flag.
Wick
Start with
below
one,
the
give
body.
myself flexibility, so if I get one, get another one, get a third one, and then stop right there. Yeah, we'll do that. It's cooked. Trade plan is in motion.
Okay, so he is long from 608. This might actually be the only trade that he takes that makes any sense to me.
And I've already bought one here. I'll buy another one here, another one there, and then my line in the sand stop is
Oh,
right here.
wow.
Now, if it wants to just pop up and hit me there, so be it. I'll take the gains and I can try to reposition myself.
So now he's setting up buys all the way back to the low of that candle.
Let's see what she
Why
wants
would you
to
do that? If you go back to the low of that candle, it's going lower than that candle. You don't want to add all the way down through that.
Is he in right now, or what's going on with Neil? Okay, I got that one filled. I am now at 2.
It's now in 2 at a 603 average. Went from 608 to 603 average. ATR is 14.
This will be my third add, and then my line in the sand stop is down there.
So he would add in, and then he would stop out of the whole trade at a break about 5 points lower than the last add. So don't even buy the last one. Don't even buy that. That's pointless to have a stop down. That doesn't make no sense at all. Don't buy it and then have a stop 5 point, because then you're just multiplying your loss for no fuck reason at all. That makes
So we're hanging
zero
around that
sense.
point on the 5 minute. Blue line is my average price. First to profit target, right there. What type of account are you trading at this moment? I'm trading a futures account, prop firm.
Trying to see if I can see on there where his. No, he doesn't have it
So it's just a question
shown.
of, does the pivot point want to produce a bounce? That's the question right now.
Does not show it. That's fine.
Is she gonna bounce or no? First target is right here, that red line, but
His first target is 614, so he's targeting 11
I'll
points.
be patient. I'll be patient.
See if he
Here we
moves
go,
it.
Very good.
Nope, he just closed one.
Put my stop there in green territory, and I'll move it up as we go now. Let's move that up just in case we really get a nice bounce. So this will be a green trade now. Just a question of can
He's
it
gonna
get
get
up?
stopped out.
He's gonna drop all the way down and stop me out.
And he's also done this wrong on his stop loss. He's out, yeah.
Well,
Because it wasn't a green trade. I guess it
I tried,
kind
I
of
got-
was, but
let's
his
see, I
stop
think
was
so. I went
below
by 3 contracts,
his
I got
actual
2,
dual average.
It hit my first profit target, then you saw it completely just rolled right back over. So,
Now,
all right, let's see
where
what
are we
else I can
going?
cook up maybe. So the key thing there is I was positioned to potentially get quite a bit more, but it just didn't play ball. Came up and came back down.
Oh, it's gonna play ball. Watch this.
I'm curious. So give me a 1 if you're short, or I'm sorry, 1 if you're long, 2 if you're short, 3 if you're doing nothing. So right now I'm right now doing nothing, but are anybody else in the trade right now? Again, 1 if you're long, 2 if you're short, 3 if you're just watching for now. If you're sitting on your hands. Okay, Planet, it's long. Really? Wow. Only 1. Okay, Planet. Eddie is short.
I'm the only person. Oh, there's 2 long, 3
Left
longs
is long.
in his
Okay.
chat.
Paul is long. John is long. Okay, all right, there we go. Prof is long. So it looks like more people long than short right now. I know I should not have traded today after AJ Brown hit. Are you back green now, Neil? I thought you were back to green. Maybe I misread something. I was short with you plus 20. I want to go short here if we get a little old flag. Scares me that I took those lows from the red ties. Zero flag. Now, okay, that makes more sense. Good. I want all. Ooh, Eddie is like, let's go. Eddie, he wants your stops. Uh-oh, Eddie. Where's your stop at, Eddie? Eddie wants your stops. Ooh, Eddie might. Oh. But still, though, Eddie, where's your stop at, brother? I'm trading X. All right. Well, hope that one works out for you. 663.50. Oh boy. All right. Well, he's more of like a swing trader. He has no problem holding for the next 2 hours if he has to. Apparently. Okay. He's a swing trader that operates within the same day. So then, where's your target at, Eddie? Oh, he wants.
See what he
low.
thinks about this.
So yeah, he's definitely a swing trader.
Bubs, where are you, man?
Sounds good, Planet Podcast. If it works for you, that's what matters most.
Our gaslighting is working. He's liking me. He likes me, Bubs. We're gonna be friends.
Go with 2 minute cues, average 630, stop loss. Good stuff, Ray. Good stuff. Thinking of joining Eddie. This is looking kind of interesting for a short. Dangerous, because it's all happening right at this pivot point. It's really just a question of, is this pivot point probably going to release the hounds? Okay, now the 5 minute, there's the pivot point, continues to, what about, I mean, it's just crazy. This pivot point has just been pretty much the boss of the chart since back here at starting at about 11:30. Crazy. Heavenly Chords Entertainment. Thank you.
Oh, Johansson.
Entry 653. Oh, he's gonna be waiting for a while at 653. All right, option decoder. You could be waiting for a while, brother. My platform. You can see the P&Ls at the bottom of the screen. I like that ATM strategies take some of the emotion out of it. Sometimes I get nervous and myself to take a loss. Yeah, that's what it's all about, Planet Podcast. Just kind of got to figure out what's going to be working best for you. Once it breaks the 2 SMA in a 15-minute, it's a free fall. Or it's a fake breakdown and it snaps right back up. I've seen those happen too. Could be a free fall, but it absolutely could be a fake breakdown snapping back up. I just joined your channel for the first time. Gotcha. Cool. Well, welcome. Good to have you. Just trying to understand your approach. My strategy is the KISS method. KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. Well, I've seen fakes happen a couple times in a row. Look no further than right here on the pivot point. Look at all these fake breakdowns. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8. So, yeah, multiple fakes can happen. Bearish outlook we can hold until option decoder. Well, you're going to be waiting option decoder. Your entry point's not until way up here, if I remember right. So you could very realistically just never get filled. You need more likes in here. Good content. Well, thank you, minding my own business. I mean, it very well could free fall. I'm not saying it can't free fall, but on the same note, it could very realistically be another fake breakdown too. Hence why risk management matters. So now we're getting pretty much this bare minute here.
Oh, baby.
And golfers, we just put the golf ball up here. So upside down pennant makes it a fair pennant. Ooh, look at that. Spin a lot. Gentleman high. Just went over something on profit. I did what you said to trim. Smooth jelly. Ooh, I like jelly. I like smooth jelly too. I just checked the options. This Nasdaq gone free fall. Well, then you better go all in short. Sounds like you're about to become a billionaire, mates. If the options reveal to you what's going to happen here, and what they're telling you is it's going to free fall, I hope you're all in short, brother. I hope you've mortgaged your house, taken out a second mortgage, grabbed your kids' college tuition money, all in short. It sounds like that's what's going to happen. Man, I didn't know that. I didn't know you could look at the options and then just figure out what the NASDAQ is going to do. Man, who knew it was that easy? What in the world? Man, I've been struggling. I've been like trying to figure, I'm just trying to manage risk all these years. Who knew it was just look at the options chain. And when exactly is it going to free fall? Because right now it's going up. Short here, the red line in there. Our first target right there. So we'll see if she wants to roll back over. I like it on the 5 minute. The 21 EMA is also right there. So we'll see if it wants to find some downwards pressure or not. Made Spot said it's gonna. He said he checked the options and it's going down. So he said it's for sure going down. So here I am short. He said it's going into free fall mode. So I can't wait to see how much money I make on this one. I cannot wait. Chat has gone silent. I guess we're all just all short, all waiting to count our Lambos and our skid steers. That's true. Why do I have a stop loss? He said it's going to go down. What do I need a stop loss for? That's true. What am I doing?
He is short from 614 right now, this guy. I can make it a little bit bigger.
Again, first target is that green line right there. And I'm getting my
I
stop
don't need
break
his,
even now.
let's do this. There. Oh, it stops break even. He's going to get stopped out.
So break even on that one. I don't know. Did I make a couple bucks? I guess I'm not sure. Mate's watching Theta. Oh boy. No, Theta doesn't exist, remember? There is no theta in options, especially 0DT options. Theta, it's just a myth.
Oh, he's out already.
Short.
Oh, he's short again at 606. Chasing the
Out
short.
there for a little scalpy scalp.
What did? How did you get out of that?
25 tomato plants, 10 sweet basil, red.
There ain't no way you got out of that right there.
Nice ball. I like it.
I'll have to look that back.
Still interested in this trend line here as a potential short. Although we were told that it's for sure going down, so silly me for not just getting short and holding. Maids did not give us a stop loss though, so this is also one of these things where the price could do this, shoot all the way up here, and then come down, and he will be here to say, "Told you so." That's the convenience of leaving out a stop loss. You know, you can sit there and have those movements, and then if it eventually comes back down 4 hours later, you can show up and be like, "I told you, clown, so I told you." Short at 650. And where's your stop at, Max? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, Max is going to wait for it to come up here. And where will your stop loss be, Max? Is all TPT profit for... Does anyone else have experience with trailing drawdown limits? Yeah, probably a lot of people here. I mean, that's kind of just the thing in prop firms. Yeah, don't get greedy, Johnny T. Stop going for grand slams. Take the scalps, take the wins, let them add up. Max stop is 23.6. All right, so 20 points. Roger that. Appreciate it, Max. Nothing but respect, given the trade plan ahead of time. JRD, all right, I like it. Long at 615. So he's basically long right now. Stop is 603. Okay. Target 631. Okay, who was that? All right, JRD, Junior D. Looks like you might have a chance. Man, I love it. I love when people give the trade plans ahead of time. That way you know there's no games, there's none of this hindsight nonsense.
Oh, games and hindsight. I got a whole plan ahead of me.
Design a tool to identify option momentum market.
A whole plan.
Need your time to explain over the session. Could you? Oh, that's okay. Option decoder. Thank you for the offer. I'll pass though, but thank you. That's very kind of you to offer that. I'm all set though.
Projection.
Ray still holding. Oh no! Don't do JRT like that.
Retest.
Come on. What was his stop? 603. Alright, he still got a chance. Oh, okay, his stop loss is down here. Alright, he's still got a chance. What do you think about the U.S. economy? Is it possible recession this year? Yeah, I think so. I mean, you can't just keep taxing people with tariffs and not expect it to eventually catch up. So yeah, I think I would not be shocked if there's a recession. All right, let's see. Does this? All right, come on, do it for JRD, Junior D. If it can hit that crosshair, he's in the profit. That's his target. Do it for him.
Oh man, what's crazy is we can
No, don't
see
tease
on
him
his
like
chart
that.
right here the sloping support building.
I think you're going to be good, JRD.
The sloping support building.
Although look on the 5-minute. Look what we have bearing down. Look at this. It's like a freight train. Bump, 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 bump. 50 period simple moving average. Doesn't mean it'll get rejected, but goodness. That could certainly be an area of resistance.
All right, let's see if we can add a little gas to the fire here. Oh, I gotta wait for the chat to load.
Wow. Can't believe you got that. That's so dirty. Took partials. All right, that's good. At least JRD. Oh man, look at this 5 minute. Look at that 5 minute. Look at this candle here. Yeah, I'm getting short there. Hope it comes back down. That 5 minute's looking too juicy. I closed at 30 points up. Good job, Planet. Alright, never mind now. This is bouncing up too much. My risk profile will be too big. Never mind. Never mind. No way I'm going longer, though. Not with the way the 5 minute looks. You are cray-cray if you get long right now. With that 5 minute 50 period bearing down on top of everything. You're crazy, man. Right there. Woo! Doesn't mean it can't be broken. No guarantees, but... This is the same account. This is the same account. Why did you change names, Alex? That's sketchy. You went from ALX to now Alex. What's up with that? Why are you changing names? Now I'm leery. What are you up to? You're same as the ALX. Who, me? Yes, you. Who, me? Yeah. What is that from? That is sound like a... Who, me? Yes, you. What is that from? Who stole the cookie? Is that what it's from? Who stole the cookie from the cookie? No, I don't know. What is that from? All right, be done. You know what I'm talking. What is that from? Why do I have that in my head? Is that what it is? Is that what it is? Alex took the cookie. Alex took. Who, me? That's what it is from. It is from like like elementary school. I was like, why do I have this thought of something that's from like elementary school? That's why. Oh man, look at this. Look at this 5 minute. I gotta at least try it short. Gotta at least try it.
Why?
If it comes down there. Hate to break it to you. Millions of Alex. No, there's only two. I just checked. There's two. A lot of wicks on the 15 minute. Oh, King Louis. Aren't you the guy that was all about the... Watch out for the FVG. Alex, this is the same account. This is my NQ trades for the day. These are my MNQ trades for the day. That is how my platform is set up. Short at that level. Can't split it out now. Is this your own problem? Hey, I'm still waiting for your stop loss, maids. You tell us where your stop loss is, and then we'll answer some questions. You answer my questions first. You told us the price is going down. Hey, mates, you said that you checked the options. Where's your stop loss at? Maybe another live streams you can run around maids acting like a clown, but here we hold clowns' feet to the fire. You said, like when it was like right, I don't know, like right here or something, it's going down. You check the options chain, it's going down. Free fall. And all of it's been doing is grinding up. And you never gave us a stop loss. So where's your stop loss at? Still doing battle on the 5 minute with that purple line. That's why I'm still interested in a potential short here. This feels too ugly to trade until it makes a decision. I don't know. The 5 minute looks kind of good to me at least. Who, me? Yes, you. That's totally what it's thrown. So-and-so stole the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes. Oh my goodness. It is weird. The human mind is a weird thing. How it just, his little comment of who, me? Just like triggered that from like years ago. I think I'm going to make myself another coffee. Hey, careful with the coffee. Let's all, everybody careful with the caffeine. And I'm going to try it right there now short if it wants to come back down. If it goes above the green line, I'll have to cancel it out. Never mind. No, it's too big of a... Okay. I'm so confused. We were told free fall mode. We were told by somebody that checked the options chain that it was about to be a free fall. What is going on? I'm so confused. Mates, can you explain?
Sweep and Q sellers.
I just checked the options. This NASDAQ 100 gonna free fall. And all it's done since then is grind higher. What's going on here, brother? I'm confused. I have my kids' college tuition money short right now. I'm about to be living under a bridge. Yeah, he's an expert. He's an expert in options. Hey, my whole life savings, all $14.27 is short right now. What is going on? He's gone. He's just left me desolate. He's left us all desolate. We all went short our life savings. Grand total of $97.38. All of our life savings combined. Isn't that amazing? People make the bold proclamations, and then when it does the exact opposite, you just don't hear from them anymore. That's got to be the first time that's ever happened on a live stream. I can't imagine like that happens very often. Hey Zach, you have a good weekend too. Take care, be safe out there. Hit that like button on the way out if you have not yet.
Here's the rejection.
Pop is savage because it's like high in sugar. Miss an apostrophe? Are you saying pop is savage? Because it's loaded down with sugar? Who was long? don't know. They were. They're getting. I don't think anybody was. Made said that it was. He checked the option chain and it was going down. Nobody was long. We were all full in short. I meant, oh, sorry. I had my 17 minutes. I would love it if Maids would show back up and just explain. Unbelievable. I'm losing my life savings here. Thanks, Maids. Wrong, 643.
Iceberg and Q buy.
Stop loss 633. Alright, we'll see if JR can get his entry point. That's why I love the trade plans ahead of time. You can just kind of follow along and see what happens. Good stuff. I am thinking of a potential short up here because once again, we're getting top, or we're getting close.
I really hope he shorts
The
this.
top part of this overall channel that unfortunately I called a few hours ago, kind of jokingly. Well, hopefully we don't do this for the next 4 hours. And yeah, that's kind of what's been going on. That's right, we still made some money from it.
This is where we start to gaslight this guy into taking this
All right,
short.
we're at 199 likes. Who's gonna be like number 200? Hit the like button. Let's get this up over 200 likes. Who's gonna be like 200? Got long at 638. Where were you behind beforehand, King Louis? Hey, thanks, Johnny T. Maids, where are you? I don't know. To be fair to him, maybe English is a second language, and what he thought in English meant, maybe this is what he meant by free fall. That's probably what it is. 207, there we go. How's the trading bench? Where are you?
Two
benched,
nectarines
Rebel?
set rip with book maps.
Partial break even. Good job. School and golf. King Louis at the gym. What day is it? Leg day, King Louis? Don't skip leg day. Again, if it comes up here a little bit more, I'm interested in a potential short, but right here seems a bit too soon. If it wants to come up a bit more, I will be interested in a potential short. I will not just be randomly shorting though. I'm going to look for some sort of weakness.
Iceberg and Q sell.
Some sort of weakness. Some sort of weakness on this bull breakout.
665 is my short target for your entry. Cardio today and some upper body. Leg day was. Oh, all right, good. Don't skip leg day, brother. What's for dinner tonight? Chicken breast and broccoli with some white rice. Oh, sorry, brown rice. Brown rice. Going in short at 650. Oh, all right, you're looking for it to come down a little bit. All right, Batman. Stop at 660. All right, right on the tight stop. Sweet potato for the oh yeah. Sweet potato, absolutely. Move stop to break even. Good job, King. Well, maybe I should have shorted you guys instead of waiting. As we always say around here, hindsight will be the judge. I need more conviction. Trailing this just in case. Good job, Ray. Hey! Matman, great trade. Of course somebody was getting shit up there. Every day is like day. Good to see you, Fairchild. Bill, you got short up there too? Congrats, good job. Would love one more push north. See? Roger that. Yeah, yesterday hit a whole new record. New record for viewers and likes. At its peak, we had 403. So today's been down a little bit. But yeah, yesterday was great. Record-setting day. Granted, I don't know if that's how you meant it, but overall, the health of the live stream seems to be doing well. It's your good looks, Clay. You're not a liar. With that comment, it's safe to say you are not a liar. Move, stop down for 60 for break even. Good job. I'd say it's going to want to take 670 at this point. You think it's going to want there? I mean, that just seems like a total guess at this point. Because with all due respect, like, it has not been able to push through these areas. So I don't see what you're saying. Now, if you're like, I think it wants to take 680, well, then that would make sense because you would say, well, if it breaks here, I think it wants 680. Because at least at that point, like, it's in the blue skies. But right now, when it hits 670, you're saying you think it's going to break up to these levels?
Yeah.
Because I'm not sure why you would think that without when the price still has not proven it can even break through these levels. Unless you're seeing something that gives you insight that is, that these levels are going to be broken. Because it just swept the lows. Gotcha. That's what it does. Oh, who knew it was that easy? I didn't know that. Who knew that if it had a fake breakdown of lows, it's automatically going back up to break the top part of the top. Trading's that easy? What have I been doing all my life? Who knew it was that easy? Oh, would have wasted 50, however long it's been. Who knew? That's what it does. If there's a channel and it breaks to the downside, it's going up to the upside. That's what it does. Wall Street Ninja, where have you been all my life? Well, let's not play the victim card. Nobody's doing that. I just asked for clarification. You made a claim that made no sense to me. So I asked you, why do you think that? And you did say it. You said, well, because it broke down here. That's interesting. I've never heard that. I'm not saying you're wrong, but you did answer my question to be fair to you. I just never heard that. But the breakdown here means it's coming all the way back up here. Well, yeah, sure. I mean, sure, but I mean, with the track record here, I don't see how that. I mean, hey, if that sort of stuff works for you, fantastic. I'm all for it. But no, I can't say I ever look for these movements where I look for a fake breakdown, it comes up, and I like buy here, and then my target is all the way up here. I can't say that I ever do that. Do you do this no. Full-time day trading is a very poor goal. In fact, I will say full-time day traders do not exist. Full-time day trader being defined as your only stream of income is from day trading. They don't exist. I think that's a silly goal because every wealthy person I've ever studied, the one common thing is many streams of income. I do not know of any full-time day traders. I am actually a full-time. So you have zero other forms of income. Is that what you're telling me? Per my definition, you don't have any other streams of income. Is that what you're telling me? None. You literally, this is the only way you make money. You don't have a wife or anything that brings money in? Oh, exactly. Exactly. You're not a full-time day trader. Yeah, saying I. Yeah, if you listen to my statement within your picture, there's no other streams of income. So you're not full-time. You have another stream of income. Your wife who does well. So congrats to your wife. It sounds like she's kind of subsidizing your trading. Okay, my point stands. Congrats to your wife, though. I'm glad she's doing well as a photographer. That's good stuff. No, you're not a full-time day trader. Per my definition, your only stream of income is from day trading. Your only stream of income is not from day trading because you are married. So within your picture, your wife's stream of income is, there you go.
So for this guy,
Well, that's fine. Again, my point
You're
stands.
only-
What are you doing?
to be a
You seem like a
full-time,
smart guy. Why do you only have one stream of income? You don't invest or do anything? What are you doing? Yeah, that's not even my opinion. Like, don't take my word for it. Go study wealthy people. Wealthy people have many streams of income. I mean, to be fair to you, you do have 2 streams of income, so that's better than 1. I agree. If you have, again, per my definition, that's fine. You can disagree with it. But I will tell you this, you're never going to get wealthy if all you have is a full-time job. If your full-time job is your only stream of income, you're never going to get wealthy. Think about that. Literally, the only money you make is from your job. Uh-oh, I hit a nerve with Wall Street Ninja. Fair point, Planet. Fair point. Although I define wealthy as... we're coming back up here. Let's see what happens here. All I'm saying at the end of the day is, no, this is my view. I think the best goal to have, according to wealthy people, is not I want to have a full-time job, not I want to be a full-time day trader. It's just I want to be a full-time income stream trader. Because that's what I've noticed about wealthy people, is they have multiple streams of income. So I think that is the best. That's my opinion. The best way to go about things is a full-time.
oh my goodness.
And again, I do not know of any full-time day traders where literally the only stream of income in their life is from day trading. As we just discovered, no. They're only, meaning within, if you're married and your wife or your husband is bringing in money, that's a good thing. That is a good thing. But don't tell me that you make that you're paying all your bills, that you're doing everything from money from day trading, because you're not. Which is good, again. Multiple streams of income. There's this weird thing like, it makes you some sort of like baller or something. I don't know. It's weird. Like, I literally only have, it's like, no man, I have money from real estate, from the teaching business, from dividend. Like, get some multiple streams of income, folks.
Stop and Q buy.
Meanwhile, NQ
Sweep
right
and
now.
Q buyers.
I'm putting green on the day if I don't get it. Where did you say the platform setup video is? Here, Chris. missed my trade play. Well, good thing I trade my own trade plays. Hopefully you got your own though. That's why I like you, Planet Podcast. You seem to be thinking for yourself. That's good. Same thing I'm doing. That was not my play, so I missed nothing.
Oh, that's fantastic. We are now friends.
Well, now that was my play that I just missed. I was thinking of a short up around this area, so I did miss my play in that regard. I was thinking short this whole time.
Iceberg and QCell.
There you go. Episode 163 of the podcast. Did this a long time ago, but there you go. If you want to know my journey, there you go. Short here. Bigger stuff than what I want. Alright, so let's do this. If this comes back up here, gets into this area, and then starts to come back down, I'll look at it short. I mean, I think people forget, like, yes, I started the website in 2013. So that was a good, like, 12 years ago. So, yes. Some of the pictures, I do look younger. Because literally, like, that episode is probably, like, 8 years old. Like, 8 years ago. It's crazy.
Stock and QCell.
This will be try looking for 8 years. Oh, and then you deleted it. You didn't have to delete that. I'm not quite sure what you meant by that. Always new worker, but I don't know what you meant, but you didn't have to delete it. I say we go up to VWAP and then come rushing down between. Okay, well, we'll see what happens.
Oh, so when this person says it goes to VWAP, then he just says we'll see what happens. But when I say it,
But you're saying I'm not jacked
Stop
anymore,
ESL.
Squibbles?
I'm all sorts of
What are you
crazy.
talking about, boy? Put you in a headlock and give you a wet willy. Five-minute with the rejection candle here. Came up, now rejected back down. Hey, Neil, I'm going to need you to go ahead and shut your mouth, okay? Okay, Neil? I already addressed that. I already admitted. Yes, I missed that right there. Okay, Neil? Okay. So if you could just go ahead and kind of zip it, that'd be great. Okay.
Absorption and QCellers.
This dude's got to be one of the saddest people I've heard in my life. Work on yourself and stuff. Okay, I will work on myself some more. What should I work on, WCJ? Give me step one that I need to work on. Why would you take a shot at someone's trade? Why would you take a shot at someone's trade? I'm not sure. Whose shot did I take a trade? Whose trade
Absorption
did I
and
take a shot at?
QCellers.
Yeah, I thought we were together. Did you take it at least, Neil? I hope somebody took it. Because I did. I missed it. Oh, and Neil's just joking around. He's just joking around. That's why I'm just joking around back to him. I don't think WCJ is, his sarcasm department may be a little on low. I'm not sure. But I'm waiting for him to give me step number one, since I need to work on myself. Surely the first thing he's not going to tell me is to get better looking, because that's impossible. There's no way he's going to tell me step one, get better looking. No, I'm already at the pinnacle of life in that regard. Well, that Wall Street Ninja, he gone. Man, it's weird. Certain people have those topics where if you press on them, whoo! Logic out the window, emotions step in. I was trying to be, oh, there he is. come the 670s. Well, I mean, the 670s aren't here yet. Like yesterday, I'm wondering if we have. Oh, but not. They don't look in there. We'll see.
Iceberg ES5. Stop NQ sell.
Also, that 50 MA you talked about is curling up. Okay. Yeah. That 660 wall is not giving up. Yeah, it's stubborn there. Slow and steady grind. Where are we at time-wise? All right. Hey, just sign up for Take Revenue. Hey, thank you. Thank you, Sadat. That's very kind of you. You fed some hungry kids. Such a great looking low volume above it, though. I mean, yeah, it's really just a question of if it wants to break to the top, so be it. But well, rolling back over, I don't think that would really be shocking either. Seems like kind of a neutral position. Would you suggest people leaving high school to learn trading? No. What? Leaving? No. What? No. If I were to go back and do it again, I'd learn a trade. Yeah, there's a bunch of it, Bar. You missed it all, though. On to the next live stream with your hat in hand. How do I trade using the sim? Just follow through the this video right here. I'm sure you did, Bar. I'm sure you did. So, there we go. Check out that link. That'll walk you through everything. You're welcome. And thanks again for using the code. What's your time zone? Well, here I have it set to Eastern, but I'm actually in Central. We'd love to see this thing come down here and maybe get this trend line in play again. Here, right here, it's putting up a fight. It's putting up a fight. Let's do right now. The 21 EMA on the 5 minute is holding strong. Again, no holy grails, but I think the 21 EMA is certainly worth at least experimenting with.
Iceberg NQ buy.
Where's your stop at? What was the guy's name? Wall Street Ninja. Where's your stop? Like, I get it. You're pretty confident it's hitting 670, but where's your actual stop at? Or is this just no stop? It's going up there. If you did give the stop earlier, I apologize. I don't remember. Or maybe I missed it. That's right, Greg. pretty pivotal moment here. If it cannot hold this 21 EMA,
Iceberg
it seems like
ES5.
it's squirreling.
Iceberg ES sell.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so what we have here is a situation where a certain somebody is just waiting. He's got "I told you so," ha 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 ha, written in.
Yeah, I do.
If it
Thank
hits
you.
670.
I do
But
have that.
he's
Wait.
not giving us a stop loss because he wants to keep this open. Where it could come down here, then come all the way up here and hit it, and he could say, "Told you so." But now we don't know, like where's this risk management at with any of this? Okay, where's your stop loss at, please? Like, are you still in with this bigger pullback here? You're still in a short, Eddie? Oh my goodness. Oh, that makes sense because you did have a wide stop. That's right, because you also have a super low target. You're not even in the tray. All right. We'll see if it can get back up there. No, my target is the bottom. Yeah, no, I remember that, Eddie. So I was gonna say that seems crazy because this is when you're talking about I'm gonna take those long shorts or the long stops, and then it's gone way up here. But to your credit, you do have a wide stop loss, but that's because you also have a wide stop. Yeah, 5-minute trader. You're more like a swing trader. Low of day stop is pretty far. No, not low of day is not a stop. That's his target. Wait, I made 4,000 today. Good job. I can't make my money back in this suit. Well then, call it good. Come back Monday. No need to ruin your weekend by doing something stupid and getting chopped up. That's why I'm being super high maintenance right now. I'm green. No need to do something stupid and then ruin my weekend. But I'm not. Go far from being stock market. Yeah, today's a trashy day. To be fair, this was a very wide range. So it's not like this is some sort of like 7-point range. So yes, I get it. With some strategies, I'm sure this was very difficult, and it was hard to get any sort of follow through. But at the same time, I mean, these are still some quality move. I mean, like I said, we're kind of this is the range from 660 down to let's just call it 590. I mean, that's still a 70-point range. Yeah, Johnny. If it were 11 a.m., sure, I'll entertain it. If I don't consider what has happened, I would say 500 is possible. $23,500? You're saying it's possible? There goes another bounce. On 550. Do you mean 650? And you must mean 650. I think. Yeah, you got to mean 650. Okay. Cool. Hey, shout out, respect. He's putting a trade out
Iceberg
in
and
real time.
QSO.
Nothing but respect. Even if he's wrong, nothing but respect. Takes courage to do that. Love it. Love it. Way better than showing up in hindsight and being like, hey, I bought and went long right here. Oh, okay, cool story. So, nothing but respect. Calling in real time, that's good stuff there, folks. Even if he's wrong, we'll have to encourage him to cut his stop and be disciplined, but ain't no, anybody laughs at him, you're banned. We don't laugh at people here that have the courage to step up and put their trade plan in ahead of time. So, what's your strategy to passing evals? Full port? No. I am more aggressive, but not full port. Okay. I don't know what you're doing, Manfred, but that's a final warning. You start spamming who knows what, you gone. There's only so many knocks to the ceiling until you blow the roof off and vice versa. No, I hear you, Paul. You're right. But that's why trading's hard. How many knocks is the question? How many knocks is the question? How do I get the volume on the right side? Well, these are two different things. They're not the same volume. This is the volume profile. That's just volume. Hey, is anybody short here? If not, we'll cheer for the longs. Exactly, Judd. Is anybody long or is anybody short? I don't want to really cheer against anybody, but if people are just long here, I'll cheer for the longs. Cheer for your long, Nathan. I know Wall Street Ninja's long. Anybody else long? If so, let's cheer for the long. Oh, you're short too. But you're not short yet. Okay, Luis, fair. Okay, we're cheering for the longs then. Let's see a breakout. I want Simpleton Jeeps long. All right, good. We are cheering for the longs. If you're short, no offense, but we have 3 people here that are long, so I'm cheering for those of you. Jan is long too? All right, let's go. Come on. Kick this to the curb and then get the orange line out of the way, and then let's have some fun for the long. Uh-oh. Sorry, Soak. Again, no offense taken that you're short at 540, 654, but I'm going to cheer for the longs here. Let's see if we can get this. Oh, that was. No, let's not play that game. This is short. Okay. Nathan's in the sweet spot. Good. Nice. At least you're in the sweet spot. That's a buzzkill there. Right off of that overnight low. We'll see if it can recover back up. That is not the most awe-inspiring candle. But we'll see if the longs can get things turned. Still hasn't necessarily done anything wrong. Still above the 21 EMA on the 2 minute. Still above the 21 EMA on the 5. So sure, a disappointing candle, but that doesn't mean that the chart's ruined or anything. Ugly candle, indeed. Stop under 635. Gotcha. Again, still cheering for the longs. No offense if you're short. We just had like 4 people step out first saying they were long, so that's why I decided to cheer for the longs. But yes, I would agree this is not the most attractive candle, but to be fair, it's staying above the 21 EMA on both the 2 minute and 5 minute. The trend is your friend. So what is your trade right now, Paul? I'm short at 645. And where's your stop at, Zeus? Out small loss. Good discipline, Bill. All right, roger that, Zeus. Looking pretty good for you, though, Zeus. Zeus, your big challenge will be down here at the purple line, 50 period, and that trend line. I think that's where our Wall Street Ninja stop is at, if I remember right. We can trade Pat. No, do you have all positions closed by 5 p.m. Eastern? Correct. That would be a rule violation. Hanging in there for some of you longs. getting on the 5 minute. You still got a chance. It's maintaining it. You're still respecting that 21 EMA. So you got a chance. Guess what my take profit is at 550. If this area here fails, got to think that it might open up. Wall Street is still holding. JRD short 641. Okay, you're in. Stop 659. How long does the account status take to activate? They're pretty quick about it. First account is a little bit longer than other ones, but like other ones, if you reset or get another one, it shows up very fast. Done for the day, took a $300 loss, get to ready for work. Hey, good job, Chan. Way to keep it managed. 300 seems like a number that you can fight back from. So good job being disciplined.
Oh boy.
Have a good weekend, Chan. Thanks for hanging out. I might try a long down here just to see. I'm gonna buy right there. Stop will be right there. So try to play along here. Again, green line entry. Stop will be that red. A little bit more, see if we can get a bounce off the tread.
Iceberg NQ buy. That was interesting. Yeah, of course you can. Of course you can. Yeah, come on in. You want to say hi? Oh, yeah, of course the market's open. Say hi to everybody. Stop ES buy.
Say with confidence. How's your day going? Very good. We'll reply. Who says hi? Oh, Grayson's going good. Yes, Michael, you should. 5 accounts, copy trading, all in. Somebody asked what your name is. Tell me what your name is.
My name is Jim.
Where's what? See what? Yeah, that's what they see. They see that picture right there. Yeah. Oh man, kid, I lost money here and now look what it is going straight up. I know what? What is this nonsense? What do you think? Up? Should I buy? Okay. I'm in. Okay, we're making money. Should I sell? We're making money. Oh, we made some money. Good job. Good job. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I think we made like $2.50. That's a good job. Do I want to go again? I don't know. What do you think's going to happen?
think it will go up.
Okay, well you have to tell me when I should buy though.
But
Buy? I'm trying to get filled. No, it's not giving us anything. Oh look, you were right. I was just a little too slow. That was Daddy's fault. Oh, I'm sorry. Look at that. You were right. It went up. I was just a little too slow to buy. That was my fault.
I'll try to do it on that side.
Well, this is the same one.
Oh,
Yeah, it's the same price action. This just shows us what's happening every 2 minutes, and then over there it's telling us what happens every 5 minutes. But it's the same.
I think. Do I see what's new?
In where?
I did.
No, this is just what they see. Yeah.
I think we'll go down.
You think we're gonna go down? So should I get short here?
Yes.
Okay. Oh no! Don't tell me I was too slow again. Okay, we're short. We want to see this go. We want to see red candles here now, though. We're seeing green candle though. We're losing a little money, kid. We're losing more money.
Because it's your fault.
It's not my fault. You told me to get in. What are you talking about? Well, I mean, should I get out or should we see if it wants to come back down?
Yeah.
Get out? Okay, that's good. That's good risk management. Good job. Good job for risk management. Oops, sorry. No, I think we're good. Yeah, you're right there. Oh no, now it's coming down. Oh, okay, they just toyed with us. Ugh. I agree. Alright, say goodbye to everybody. Say see you later.
See you later, bye.
No, tell them to hit the like button.
Go out way button.
No, say smash the like button.
Smash the like button.
Oh, that's good enthusiasm. Good job. Then say have a good weekend.
Have a good weekend.
Very good. Good job. What do you say with confidence? Good job on risk management too. Okay. Oh, kidding. Now it's coming down. We got spooked out, kid. That's okay. That's okay. It happens. Hey, Anthony, have a good one. Yeah. She is human. She was on a huge win streak. I think she's like 8 for 10 of all the trades she's told me to make. But she is human. She is flawed, as you saw there. A losing trade. Well, for the people here that are into the prop firm space, a couple things really quickly though. If you are intermediate or advanced, in other words, you've traded prop firms with other people, but you've never tried Take Prop Trader.
Sweet
I
Pen
promise
Q
you-
Sellers.
How can I make that promise? Because I've yet to have anybody that has experience with other prop firms try Take Profit Trader, get to the pro level with the daily payouts, and then complain about the fact you can request money on a daily basis and they're fast.
Sweet ES
So in all
buyers.
actuality,
Sweet
you
Pen
could,
Q
in
buyers.
theory, make 5 payouts every week, Monday through Friday, because that is how fast that they are. So yes, if you have never given them a try as an intermediate or advanced prop firm trader, I promise they're certainly worth at least a try, because once you get to that payment phase, I can tell you it's very nice to be able to request money on a daily basis. Now, if you're a beginner though, start with Take Profit Trader. They have a very clean set of rules, so that is why for beginners, definitely want to start with Take Profit Trader, because other prop firms will overwhelm you with rules, such as Apex. So maybe out there you've heard Apex is like a scam. They're not a scam. What the problem is beginner people to the world of prop firms start off with Apex, then they get overwhelmed with the rules. It comes across as a scam. It's not, but they just drown in all the rules. That is why Take Profit Trader, very clean set of rules, very easy to understand. So for the beginner prop firm trader, definitely start with Take Profit Trader. But once you no longer become a beginner and you transition to this phase of things, at that point, if you're looking to expand the empire, then sure, go give Apex a try, as they've been around a long time, and they're kind of the king of the mountains. But like I said, beginner, any level, Take Profit Trader for those reasons. I believe it to be the best in the industry. And if you want to help support the live stream and get the code or get the deals, then use code CLAY at either of those, and that'll lock in whatever the current promotions are. That will give you what that promotion is. And then just from a brutally transparent standpoint, as much as I do enjoy this, as you're 4 hours and 15 minutes in, I'm a husband, I'm a father, 6 kids. So I need to manage my time wisely. So if I'm going to take 4 hours out of my schedule, there does need to be some sort of monetary aspect associated with it. And as you noticed, or maybe you didn't notice, but there are no ads. So I don't have ads even turned on. So quite literally, the only way that there can be any sort of monetary aspect to this is if you use code CLAY. But again, using code CLAY, you save money anyway. So it's a good win-win for everybody. So if you enjoy the live stream, if you're in the world of prop firms, and you want to just, kind of help contribute, make a donation, if you will, but you get something in return for the donation, then Code CLAY is a way for you to help support the stream and ensure that we keep it moving. So I don't think I can get really any more transparent as that. So that is all I have. I will be back Monday at 11 a.m. Eastern on the way out. If you don't mind hitting that like.
Well, he's gone, so we'll just have to wait it out. As it continues to develop.
Look at the continuous squeeze, market trying bullish divergence. Light and the tunnel bullish, condition bullish, right? But man, look at these, so many resistance everywhere, right? Market has to pop through all these resistances, slowly going, okay? Slowly going. Look at the bull, look at the squeeze, look at the wall.
Iceberg and Q cell.
Slowly going, okay? Those who
Stop
gonna hold
ES buy.
trade, maybe printing a little bit, okay? Yeah, I'm sure you're gonna go to the pain in between. Resistance are everywhere, that's why I'm not going.
Iceberg ES buy. Stop and Q buy. Iceberg ES buy.
Squeeze the magnetic curling up.
Oh shit, here comes VWAP.
Sweep and Q buyers. Absorption and Q sellers.
Look at the bull.
Iceberg and Q
Look at the
buy.
magnetic, look at the volume, look at the squeeze, look at the firing up with the 4-cylinder. Wow. Yeah. VWAP is right there. Market want to go.
It's now 20 points from VWAP.
So remember we discussed about this trend line breaking is gonna be a bullish breakout. That's the bullish breakout. Okay. Now we are heading to the VWAP, and that's where the game gonna get played.
Oh gosh.
I'm not going anywhere right now, folks. Okay. But everything looking nice, but we are a very near resistance area. And remember, they're respecting the VWAP. Today they didn't even try a VWAP. So we'll see. Bunch of bulls are here. bulls. Right now, market want to go higher. Squeeze fine enough. But resistance is here. Be careful. Right. So what does it mean? It means the risk level is higher. Right. Remember what we discussed here when market was here. I said probably they'll be going around here, right? But in between, look at this. What kind of cycle they played? 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are very close to it. You know? So all the bulls were here, right? They were thinking market going, and then they went down, and now they are back to the area. But all the bull already lost the money, right? Because market chart. Premium burn.
Two Nectarines said, I want this to rocket Kim Jong-un style.
Oh, okay. Well, we all win. Here we go with the full results.
Except Dakota. Dakota works Sunday nights.
Dakota,
Day and a half.
23%. We're going with Dakota.
Grind is
23%
real.
going with A. 21% with, well, I'm 13% for Gabe. Oh, man. Come on, show Gabe some love.
Okay, I gotta say something. Joe Black in the chat, man.
Oh,
You
man.
could always joke, but there's a fine line between spreading misinformation. Love you though, love you. He's always here, always showing support and love.
Yeah, he is.
How about that? Mohammed, 180,000 subscribers. Top step. How about that? Yeah, right?
100?
180.
Got there. We were so close too. We're
Yeah,
Next
maybe
up,
by
sure.
end of December, end of 2025 will be 200.
Where your head's at. If you so kind, click like. Let's get to 1,000 likes. Mohammed, like massive. We gotta get to 1,000 likes by end of the reversal challenge. Anyone not want the reversal challenge? Here.
One.
Oh, well.
Yeah, I got it. I think we all have a win under our belt.
Maze! Come here, Maze! Oh!
Always up on the stairs. Don't know why.
Are ya?
Yeah.
That's what security does. They just check the entry bar. Come here, Maze. You're so cute.
Lucky, are you happy? You're wagging your tail? Yeah. You don't have, all of our dogs don't have any tails. Little nubs.
You got no tails to wag.
Ari doesn't have any tail.
No.
Are you, what happened to your tail, huh?
I think of like the same breed, Aria and Maze look so different.
Yeah, they do. And they have a lot of different personalities. And Maze just has all the facial expressions. Arya is like, yeah, you. Oh, you're embarrassing me. Embarrassing me. I know. Goodness.
How's it going?
Alright.
What time do you have to pick up Carter?
Told him I'd be there at 4:45. I think he gets home from school at like 4.
It's in 45 minutes. Huh?
Give him a little bit of time to prepare himself. Figure out what I'm gonna feed him tonight. Come on, pizza. Can you just like sweat out 5 pounds, 6 pounds, whatever your goal is here?
So I had a big lunch,
Yep.
so I don't really need that much protein.
Oh really? How
Why
much do
don't
you need?
make pasta and then put fish in my pasta?
That sounds gross. That's disgusting.
I'm probably done with carbs. I'm probably getting done with carbs.
Yeah.
Let's have fish. Fish and shrimp. We still have frozen shrimp in there.
Should be the shrimp in the bag in the fridge. I didn't cook them all. Another piece of salmon.
Yeah. For the whitefish.
That's frozen. Oh, it's in the
Salmon
freezer.
not frozen.
Should be a
Set
piece
it
of
out.
unthawed salmon. You go there and look at it. You pull out if you want something in the freezer. You pull out now. To cook. That could be enough.
Yeah. Don't need that much. And then some, either broccoli or, if you're not gonna put broccoli, I'll put the spinach.
Yeah.
Carter doesn't even like pizza. Don't you wait till pizza till tomorrow when Skylar is here. Skylar actually likes pizza. Although y'all don't like the same pizza. You just SOL.
Life's hard, okay? Life's hard. Alright? God. So complicated.
Gotta make 4 people happy.
It's easy to make one person happy. SpaghettiOs. The other 3. One wants steak and shake all the time. One wants cake. One can't have anything fun. We made that sandwich for lunch. That's pretty good. I don't normally have something that much, so it's good. Oh, that's not even all of it. There's still a bunch outside in the dehydrator.
I saw a skin out there that was unthawed.
Yeah.
Or how to do it.
Yep. See how much he wants, a couple dollars. It really isn't bad using that board. All right. Ooh. 697 is the VWAP.
And Q sellers.
Now, to be fair, I said it would close over 700. 23,700. However, that's pretty close. And the day is young. Still got 36 minutes. I'm just going to long it. Fuck it.
Order filled.
Stop and peace out.
Order filled.
Boy, oh boy.
Oh, Bubs is back.
Like I missed some fun.
Do I?
I said, looks like I missed some fun.
Yeah. You missed Sideways for the last 4.5 hours. I'm long on Apex at 676 NQ. Yeah, still targeting VWAP.
Did it not go to VWAP?
No, I missed it by like 4 points.
Damn.
It'll go there. It will go there. Maybe MOC hits it, rejects it. I don't know. I've got some take profits up there at 80 and 94.
Oh, man.
Johansson cursed me. He came in here and said, I'm long. I'm like, all right, well, since he said that, it has been a downtrend. But I do think it still wants that VWAP. It just might hit 655 first. Might hit that 200 EMA. Bounce.
Yeah, I had to go take a break because I was getting my ass cut by some low voltage.
Oh, nice.
It's fucking eat up.
Here we go, baby. Oh, baby. Go to the TPs. Oh, so close. Come on. 76. Let's go. Boing.
They want to go
They do want to go. They do. And they do want to go, you know?
all day. I tell you who's undefeated. Mr. Josh and the holding the puts.
Dude, undefeated. That is a fact. Here we go.
goes. Dancing on your break even here.
Yeah, I might just get out of. I only wanted one, so I just happened to average it down a little bit because I was in a little bit higher than that. Ah. Well, now I'm getting greedy. Now I want more.
And the longer they hold it down, the more I want out of it.
That's right. Don't look great though. It looks fine, but it don't look great. Boing. Come on now. Just gonna build a little flag right there. Stupid. NASDAQ is at 0.01% on the day. Unbelievable.
That's how we like it.
Unbelievable. What do I say to that?
Another one.
Nah. That's erasing my profits on this account here already.
Because you're not buying more. That's why it's not going up.
Yeah, well, you're not wrong. You're not wrong there. And it's thinking about going up. It's considering it. But it's not going up. Yeah, it went back to where I thought it would probably go and retest that EMA. It's fine.
I think you'll be fine.
I know I'll be fine. I mean, it will go up there and at least go back to 7.6. Might not stay above it the entire remainder of the day, but it will go up there. It'll spike it. Might not hit my 94 though. I mean, it will. It will. 96 is VWAP. It's going to VWAP. I'm still down $70 on cash, but it's not 100.
There you go.
Come on, just do it.
Do the rocket thingy.
Do it.
Do it.
You can do it.
Girl, I ain't gonna do it.
I ain't gonna do it.
You're right. Show him the money.
Show me something.
Poke it with a stick.
Don't do that. It makes it very angry. You poke it with a stick. You get so mad.
Well, we know what not to do. Play read higher. As soon as
Where's
you play
Ben?
that,
I need Ben up here to come out here and pray for his 50 points.
that's right.
Oh, we're getting dangerously close to the MOC now.
4 minutes.
Should I hold 2 into MOC? That could hurt.
Or it could be quite beautiful.
Well, he would just go and take both my profit targets.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That'd be a beautiful sight. folks. Can I go?
Yeah, it's going. Oh, we're almost back to green. Should I cut one? Just be a little safe. Be on a little bit safe side. Oh, too late.
Oh, chart just glitched. Oh yeah, there you go.
Here
Here
we
it
go.
comes.
Oh, come on.
You
Oh,
bitch.
oh. That's the wrong way.
I pulled a 180 real quickly.
Yeah, it's convert. All the EMAs are converging here, like all of them.
It's recoiling up.
Yeah.
Ah.
Boing. Alright, I might take one off the table up here just in case. We got 90 seconds. I mean, the other one would make up for it. It's only a difference of 10 points if it wants to rock it up on MOC. Just having a hard time getting over these.
Do the do.
Well, here we go, bubs.
Oh, 30 seconds.
I know, I see it. Really kind of wondering which way it wants to go. Fuck it.
It's funny. I feel like it wants to go up. Being held down all day, but
All right, well, we're still in it. We're going to hold them.
I like it.
I don't love it.
I like the moxie.
Could see 641. Not great. Not great. Small downside move. Push up. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Oh, yeah. Go get it.
It ain't getting it.
Come on. Go get it.
Just thinking about it.
Come on.
Nope. Still failing. Come on. Do the thing you do every day.
Exactly. Pump into close. Let's go. High a day. There we go. Come on. Go get it. Be the hero that you are.
Cutting one.
Order filled.
I'll hold one of them. See if it wants to go all the way up.
What's the 641?
200 moving average.
Ah. It's tough. Which one does it magnetize to more, the VWAP or the 200?
VWAP. For sure,
I think so
VWAP.
too.
We just might wait till after the bell. Or it's making a humongous bear flag on the daily chart.
Yeah, it could be a massive bear flag.
Massive bear flag. Like so big of a bear flag.
Stop ESL.
Just do it already. I mean, yesterday's.
Kinda always be a cup and handle.
Yeah, yesterday's bear flat or big push was AVGO earnings. There's not really any catalyst today.
Right.
How much did that give up? It's still up 9% on the day. I look pretty well. The video though ate it down 3%.
Getting smoked.
It's the 200. I'm gonna add one here.
Order filled.
Let's see if it bounces off this 200. Set my expectations a little lower.
Next imbalance coming.
Yeah, she's selling off though. A little bit. There's the 200 moving average. Boing. Looking for 667. There it is. Well, kinda. There we go. A little bit of a pop up there. Interesting wick. Very interesting movement going on here. The 15-second chart's going kind of crazy.
Kind of crazy.
Kind of nuts.
Order filled.
Hey, check that out.
Ooh.
That's getting moved up. Stop in there. Stop's too tight. Okay. It's gonna stop me out. Oh, maybe not. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, it's gonna stop me out.
Stop filled.
Nah, still green $200 on that account.
There you go.
Oh. Now it's gonna rock it. Just back
Probably.
in. Get back in. Alright, one more.
Order filled.
Maybe not. Going the wrong way, Bubs. It's going the wrong way. Very lackluster. Just close, really.
Yeah, honestly.
Well, it's gonna put me down a couple bucks on the day.
All right, well, I gotta run. Going to hit
Adios,
the
amigo.
Sands. Take it easy, bud. Have a good
Yeah.
weekend.
Absorption and Q sellers.
Order filled.
Come the fuck on. Seriously? That was
And Q
dumb.
sellers. Absorption and Q buyers.
Order filled.
Okay.
Stop filled.
Well, here it goes, folks. Straight to VWAP. End of the day. Market close.
And Q buyers.
There you have it. If you hold through the pain, straight to the VWAP. The VWAP is right there
Absorption
on the
ES
day.
Absorption ES sellers.
Straight to
ES
VWAP.
buyers. Sweep and Q buyers. Absorption ES sellers. Absorption ES sellers. Sweep ES buyers. Sweep ES buyers.
There it went, folks. So, as I said, an old dickheads thing. You know what? I'm just going to start this off over. As I said in Clay Trader Stream, that the market will go to VWAP. And VWAP 23,700. It did come down a little bit to 695. So, tolerance there because it held sideways for so long throughout the day. It did return to 23,695, which is the VWAP. The reason it does that is because on such a big range day, you went from 23,902 to 23,515, 23,505. You ranged pretty much 400 points. In the middle of that is balance. The market likes balance. It doesn't like to go down 2.5% and stay there. Doesn't like to go up 2.5% and stay there. It likes some kind of balance. VWAP is that balance. So there you have it. It held on. It bounced hard. He was trying to short it into that constantly. And yet here it is. It ends here. And so old dude muted me because I said the market will return and close around 23,700. And he said that that was an arrogant thing to say. I'm a newbie trader. I don't know what I'm talking about. Blah, 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 blah. However, my memory for stock market numbers across a time frame is pretty impressive. I can tell you pretty much what the market closed at, the highs and lows of a lot of days, especially in the recent history. What I do know is that VWAP does matter. Everything that he was talking about throughout his whole stream all converged to go here. Thing is that he was just so bearish looking for shorts that he just couldn't see it happening. Couldn't see it coming. And so I tried to get in there and just gaslight him to the right direction. And he just wouldn't see it. But let that be a lesson. Not everyone you see on YouTube is right. He's all in there mad, angry, talking a bunch of bullshit. And yet here we go. VWAP. Unbelievable. When I said you had to go through the pain, it was just the pain of just waiting. Just time. Time. If you would have took the VWAP entry when I said it probably returns to VWAP, 100-point trade. All day. You would have almost never been red on that trade. Now you would have just sat there and like constantly, come on, come on, come on, come on. You just have to go through the pain, and the pain is mentally exhausting because when you look at the chart at a longer time frame, today was just stupid. So anyway,